Welcome again to our channel. We are the tips to succeed in business becoming exposed out. In today's video, we are going to look about how commercial bank works and what it is. By the end of this video, everyone who followed this video until the end will be able to understand how commercial bank works in full detail. Without delay, let's start. First of all, we need to understand what we mean by commercial bank. A commercial bank is a financial institution that provides various banking services to the individual business and government. It operates by accepting deposit, providing loan to the people or business, and facilitating financial transaction among various institutions and people. The first way commercial bank work is the accepting deposit. Commercial bank collect funds from customers in the form of deposit. This deposit can be current account. Here, people open a current account in bank that will allow them frequently withdraw their money and check their transaction or their balance whenever they want. This allows commercial bank to have certain amount in the bank account. The second account the commercial bank open for their customers is called the saving account. Here, commercial bank encourages saving by offering interest on deposit with limited period of the second type of account the commercial bank open for their customers is called the saving account, or compte bloque in other terms. Here, commercial bank encourages saving by offering given interest rate on deposit with specific period of time without withdrawal of that amount. Another account commercial bank open for their customers is called the fixed deposit or term deposit. Here, fund deposit here are located for fixed period and any higher interest. For example, let's take some given example of commercial bank in Rwanda. If you open account in BK or I&M Bank for the fixed deposit, they will bring you, or you will sign with them contract that they will bring you like 9% of your saving. This time will be fixed in a given period. Suppose like 7 years, 8 years, and others. In this period, they will bring you certain amount each year as agreed, but you will never be allowed to withdraw those amounts until that time ends. Hopefully, we are together. The second, commercial bank provide loan and credit. Bank are used to deposit they collect so that to provide loan. The first, we have seen that commercial bank encourage people to open account and save money. So those money saved by people mostly in fixed account are used to provide loan for given customers. If bank have sufficient amount in fixed account, it start to provide the personal loan, business loan, mortgage, and overdraft for businesses and customers. The third one thing we're gonna have to talk about is called interest rate mechanism. So here we are going to talk about how banks provide the loan interest and also look about how banks bring interest rate for people who have fixed account in the bank. The first, banks pay interest to depositors. Yeah, I mean fixed deposit and saving account. The second, bank charge loan interest to the people who comes to borrow money. Here, the difference is this. If you come to borrow money, they will charge higher interest than interest paid for depositors. So the difference between the interest charged by borrower and interest paid for the depositor is called the margin. This will help them to make a profit. I don't think commercial bank works and generates income for them. It's called the financial services and transaction. Those financial services they provide include the following. The first one is called money transfer and payment. In today's digital era, cashless is available. We are no longer need to use a cash in the payment. So when you pay by someone by bank, they charge you certain fees, and these fees are income for them. The second thing they do is called the currency exchange. Due to international transaction, currency must be exchanged so that any person is gonna make a transaction in a given country will be able to do that in the best manner. So here's where commercial bank comes. Another thing commercial bank do is called insurance services. Commercial bank provide insurance services for businesses and individuals. This will help them to make money by protecting the risk for that person and businesses. The other thing commercial bank make is called investment. The investment is the part of commercial bank that make them profit at a high level. Commercial bank tend to buy real estate and also they buy what we call bonds, share in other societies. This helps them to make more profit. So they might take this time so that I appreciate for you who has been with me. And don't make it difficult for subscribe for me so that to get news about business and banking industries.